Ryan buys a brand new car. Alex buys the same car, 3 years old. They both think they made the smarter decision. Ryan believes he bought reliability. Alex believes he avoided depreciation. But when you actually run the numbers over 10 years, the gap between those two choices becomes much bigger than either of them expected. Let's make this fair. Ryan and Alex both earn $60,000 a year. They both want the same car, same model, same engine, same color. A sedan with a new price of $32,000. They walk into dealerships on the same weekend. The only difference is what they choose to drive home. Ryan buys the car brand new. Sticker price, $32,000. He puts $4,000 down and finances the rest with a 60-month loan at 6% interest. His monthly payment comes out to about $540. It's a beautiful car. 0 miles, full factory warranty. Everything smells new. Ryan feels confident about the decision. After all, nothing has been worn out yet. No surprises. Alex buys the same car, but it's 3 years old. It has about 36,000 miles on it. The price? $21,000. Cars lose value quickly in their first few years, and Alex knows it. He puts $3,000 down and finances the rest. His monthly payment is about $340. That's $200 less per month than Ryan. But Alex's car isn't perfect. It has a few scratches. The new car smell is long gone, and the warranty is almost over. For the first 3 years, Ryan feels great. Everything is covered under warranty. Oil changes, small repairs, even unexpected issues. The dealership handles it all. Alex doesn't have that luxury. When his brake pads wear out, he pays for them. When the battery dies in winter, he replaces it himself. Every repair reminds him that used cars come with risk. Ryan looks like the winner, at least in the beginning. But something else is happening quietly. Depreciation. Ryan's $32,000 car loses value quickly. Year 1, about $26,000. Year 3, around $20,000. By year 5, it's worth roughly $15,000. Ryan has been paying hundreds every month, while the car loses value in the background. Alex skipped the steepest part of that drop. His $21,000 purchase loses value more slowly. After 3 years of ownership, his car is still worth roughly $15,000. Year 5. 5 years pass. Ryan finally finishes paying his loan. Total spent on payments, about $36,000 including interest. He owns the car now, but it's worth around $14,000. Alex finished paying his loan earlier. His total payments were closer to $24,000. His car is worth roughly $13,000. For the first time, the numbers start to look different. Ryan paid far more for almost the same remaining value, but ownership has another layer: maintenance. Older cars require repairs. Over the next 5 years, Alex spends about $1,200 per year on maintenance. Brakes, suspension, new tires. Ryan's car eventually enters that same stage too. After the warranty expires, his maintenance costs start catching up. By year 10, both cars require similar upkeep. Age eventually equalizes everything. Now fast forward 10 years. Ryan's total spending on the car, payments plus maintenance, equals about $50,000. Alex's total spending, loan plus repairs, equals about $36,000. That's a difference of roughly $14,000. Both of them are now driving cars worth about $6,000. But Alex reached that point while spending significantly less money. Buying new isn't automatically wrong, and buying used isn't automatically better. The real lesson is about where depreciation happens. The first owner absorbs most of it. The second owner avoids most of it. And over decades of car ownership, that difference compounds more than people realize. Ryan thought he was buying reliability. Alex thought he was buying value. Neither of them ran the numbers past the monthly payment. But when you zoom out and look at the full timeline, the math tells a completely different story. And if you're wondering what happens when someone skips the loan entirely and pays cash for a used car, that's a whole different experiment, and the numbers might surprise you even more.